Startling new details in a story the News 4 Tucson investigators first brought you last month. The story of Carlos Adrian Lopez. Lopez, a Tucson man and father of a toddler, died while handcuffed in police custody. 3 Tucson police officers resigned over the incident, accused of not following proper police procedures during the arrest. The chief of police said the men would have been terminated had they not quit. But did their actions contribute to Lopez's death? An autopsy report done by the Pima County Coroner's Office says no. Now, a second autopsy report has surfaced that says differently. Lupita Murillo has the details.
The News 4 Tucson investigators obtained the second autopsy report, the other one done on Lopez.
They understood that to get to the truth and to get to justice, they needed truth, they needed understanding of what happened.
So the family gave Eduardo Coronado, a family friend and attorney, permission to get a second autopsy done, independently of the Pima County Coroner's Office. The results just came back. And while there are some similarities in both autopsies, there's one big difference: the cause of death. The one conducted in Pima County the day after Lopez died stated in part, "The cause of death is ascribed to sudden cardiac arrest in the setting of acute cocaine intoxication and physical restraint with cardiac left ventricular hypertrophy as a significant contributing condition." The second autopsy, conducted by Dr. Philip Keene, who formerly worked as the medical examiner for Maricopa and Yavapai counties, stated in part, "His death is most consistent with asphyxia due to compromised airway, which is best explained by a face-down position restricting his breathing. While there were only small abrasions on his left back and flank, he was in a face-down position with his wrists cuffed, and this would potentially further compromise his breathing."
It brings those answers to all the questions that we've had this past 2.5 months.
The family says the report confirms for them that the 3 officers who responded to the call were responsible for her son's death.
If he had received proper medical care in time and he had been turned over, it's unlikely that the positional asphyxia would have taken his life.
Dr. David Fruckman is the director of the Walden Group, who conducted the second autopsy at the request of the family. It was performed in Mesa on April 24th, days after Lopez died.
Oftentimes people come in because they need to know what happened and they need to provide closure.
He died completely in horror of what was happening to him.
The family tells us that they are now considering legal action, and they want the 3 officers involved in Lopez's arrest to face criminal charges.
And for not another situation like this to happen, another family sitting here talking about their loved ones dying.
Investigating for you, Lupita Murillo, News 4 Tucson.